Hey guys, how's it going? I want to show you something pretty cool. So let's say you have a website, or let's say you have a newsletter or some sort of holiday marketing campaign that's going out via email. You've got 5 different links inside that email, and you want to add UTM parameters to every single link. Well, that could take some time. I think the best approach here is to create a script at the bottom of the email that will automatically add UTM parameters to every single link without having to manually add them. So I've done that for you here. It's pretty simple. Let me show you. Have a look at this. If you add this right before the closing body tag, it will automatically add UTM source, medium, and UTM campaign to every single one of your links inside your HTML file. So let me show you that in action. Okay, let me just navigate to my file. So here's example. There it is. It's automatically appended. Google. There you go. Automatically appended. Yep, they all work. And then you can see in the code that I've actually not added, I've not added UTMs to each individual link. I've only added it at the bottom of my code. So this saves time, and it also is great for, potentially avoiding any kind of errors. So this actually is pretty well designed. This will wait until everything is loaded on the actual page itself. As long as you deploy this code before the closing body, you should be okay. Okay, hopefully that helps you guys out, and hopefully that adds some efficiency to your marketing. Okay, have a good one. Take care. Bye-bye.